He's in my head.
This is Elise.
I need help. Things are happening in my house, and they say you know about this stuff.
May I ask where you live?
I live in Five Keys, New Mexico.
This house was my family's house.
Elise?
When did these occurrences start?
Soon after we moved in.
I've seen ghosts before, all those years ago.
I can see things too.
But this one's different.
Elise, there's someone right in front of you.
There's nothing.
Somebody has to go in and find them.
I can help.
Be careful.
Trust me.
These hauntings can be terrifying things.